Don't do this.
First, open Adobe Photoshop. Then, go to the File menu, click on Open, and choose your photo. After that, go to the File menu again and select another photo that contains the hair you want to use. Next, select the lasso tool and use it to copy the hair from the second photo. Paste the copied hair onto the first photo. Now go to Edit and select Free Transform. Adjust the size of the hair according to your preference. Reduce the opacity and carefully align the hair to fit properly. Then, select the Background Eraser tool. Adjust the brush size as needed and start removing the unwanted background. For precise editing, zoom in and carefully remove the unnecessary background. Keep checking by increasing or decreasing the opacity to ensure everything looks perfect. Once done, your photo is ready as shown in this video. Finally, go to File and export your edited photo. If you like this video, please subscribe for the next one.